Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. So as I mentioned, we are going camping, and guess what I'm doing? You're never gonna guess. Seriously, I never get to do this. I'm sitting in traffic. Like always, never fails. Whenever I go anywhere, I end up having to sit in traffic. Either way, we are about halfway to our destination. We are going to Little Farm on the River, near Lawrenceburg, Indiana. And tomorrow we're going kayaking, and it's just going to be a pretty good trip. I'm looking forward to it. So stick around. We'll see what kind of shenanigans we can get into. Welcome to the Whitewater River in, I guess, southwest Ohio. We are maybe a mile into an 8-mile float, so far it's been a good time. A little bit. So we're only about a quarter of the way through this, and yeah, it's gonna be a long day. Go ahead, baby. As an update, we are, I think, about halfway. I have literally no idea though for sure. But Craig's got the map. I don't have the map. But yeah, I think we're roughly about halfway. So it's pretty crowded here today. So I think you can probably see behind me. And in front of me. Yeah, so hope you enjoyed. Unfortunately, nothing really exciting like flipping a kayak has happened yet with our group. So we'll see. Alright, well, it looks like we got everything cleaned up and ready to go on the inside of the camper, so we're going to go ahead and move outside and start getting that all packed up. So while we were taking a shower last night after kayaking, I had a little bit of an issue. My shower curtain completely ripped in half. So does anybody know where I can get a replacement or have any hacks or anything to help make this work a little bit better? I'd greatly appreciate it. But yeah, I just went to close it so I could take a shower and it fell apart. So oh well. Again, let me know in the comments down below if you know of anywhere where I can get a replacement, or maybe know of a better way than this bracket up here for how to make it work a little bit better. Anything you can do would be greatly appreciated. Alright, y'all. It's time to go. Oh my God, Alexandria, Kentucky, please fix the AA highway. This is kind of ridiculous. I am all over the road right now. Wow, this is bad. right, well folks, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Apologies for the audio issues kind of in the middle there. I did find out that my camera is waterproof. However, you have to let it dry out a little bit or the audio sounds muffled. So my apologies. I learned, now I know. That being said, if you think of anything that might help with the shower curtain, I'd greatly appreciate it. But I want to thank you all so much for watching. You have an absolutely wonderful rest of your day. If you're getting ready to go to bed, you have a good night's sleep. I'll see you guys on the next one.